Have you ever opened your mouth to say something in English and suddenly, like nothing? Your brain acts like it's on vacation. I've been there myself. And if you've ever had the awkward moment of forgetting the words you need, stick around, I've got you covered. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're going to talk about something we've all experienced. Losing your words when you least expect it. I mean, we're basically word ninjas who sometimes lose our powers, right? Let's find out why this happens and how we can fix it together. All right, picture this. You're trying to think of the perfect word. Remember your grammar, managing your pronunciation, and still look cool doing it. No wonder sometimes you draw a blank. But what is the solution? Practice one skill at a time. If you're focusing on pronunciation, don't stress about advanced grammar at the same moment. Slow it down. Giving your brain a second to breathe can help you remember more words. Passive versus active vocabulary. But what is the difference? We have words we can recognize, passive, and words we can instantly use, which are called active. Sometimes you'll see a word and think, oh yeah, I know that. But then try to say it out loud and poof, it's gone. But what is the solution? Use new words ASAP, as soon as possible. Write them, say them, sing them in the shower, whatever works. Have real conversations using your fresh vocab, even if you mess up. That's how you turn those words into your daily lingo. Anxiety and nervousness is the third one on the list. Worried about making a mistake or sounding weird? That stress can lock up your word bank. It's like your brain going, okay, I'm just gonna take a break while you freak out over there. But what is the solution to overcome this problem? Find a low-pressure environment to practice. Chat with a friend who's super supportive, or record yourself speaking, and then reward yourself for progress, not perfection. Maybe a cookie for every new word used. Just a thought. Mixing languages. If you speak more than one language, you can feel like you have a bunch of different dictionaries in your head. Sometimes your brain flips through them all before it picks the English word. And it's really interesting. But what is the solution? Immerse yourself in English media. Watch a show, read an article, or listen to a podcast entirely, I repeat, entirely in English. All right? And also, keep your mind in English mode by labeling items around your house. I know, it's silly, but super effective. Overthinking grammar. Trying to craft the perfect sentence can slow you down. Meanwhile, your chosen word in your head is tapping its foot, waiting to be used. What is the solution here? Speak first, fix errors later. Perfection can wait, communication can't. Listen back to a recording of yourself, jot down any grammar slips, and practice them later. No pressure in the moment. Lack of consistent usage and repetition. If you don't regularly use new words, they'll pack their bags and leave your brain. You've got to keep them active. So one of the solutions would be schedule short daily review sessions. 5 minutes is often all you need to keep words fresh. Make it fun, write silly sentences, or create mini stories with the words you're trying to remember. And there you have it. These are the main reasons you sometimes forget words and some easy ways to fix each problem. Trust me, the more you practice, especially using these tips, the fewer brain freeze moments you will have. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends who might need a little bit of English boost. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more tips, tricks, and fun ways to improve your English skills. And also drop a comment below letting me know which tip of this video you plan to try first. Thank you so much for watching and keep those words flowing.